What's something people don't know about those white streaks behind planes? They're not smoke at all. Let's break down the science behind contrails. Those streaks are called contrails, short for condensation trails. Here's what's happening. Planes like the Boeing 787 fly way up high, where the air is super cold. Think below minus 50 degrees Celsius. Their engines blast out hot exhaust packed with water vapor. When that hot, moist air hits the icy atmosphere, the water vapor quickly condenses and freezes into tiny ice crystals. That's what forms the white trail you see. Sometimes, contrails disappear fast. If the air's dry, poof, they're gone. Other times, if it's humid, those trails can hang out for hours, and even spread into big, wispy clouds. So next time you spot those lines, remember, they're not pollution or smoke, they're actually man-made clouds. Hit follow for more sky-high science facts.